Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Taurus. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading, so that may answer some questions you have in your situation, guys. So stay tuned for that. That will come right after this general reading. So we have the moon, six of moons and page of suns. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. You have lots of dreams for your life, guys. You have fantasies or you have aspirations you need to reach, and you are working towards that. And today you may see some kind of coincidences, maybe when you are making some going about your work or doing something, you may see some coincidences in your situation, and you need to be really careful also, guys. Maybe some things become reality only in dream, not in true life, guys. So maybe too much dreams is also not good. So they are influencing you in some ways. Maybe dreams are a great influence. It influences us in a very positive way, and we must know when to where to separate ourselves from dreams. So if we live too much in dreams and not take up the actions we need to take up to reach success, we will become a failure, guys. So simply dreaming won't be enough today in our situation. And I also see that there is someone in your situation. This may be your energy or this person's energy. So they feel greatly attracted to you, or you feel greatly attracted to them, maybe, guys. Or you are having someone as an ideal and you want to live like them, and you are always dreaming about them, or always dreaming about this person, maybe, guys. So this person is inspiring you a lot in your life, maybe in your work or in your personal life. The way you dress, the way you speak, whatever it is, this person is influencing you, bringing out the great goodness in you, guys. And maybe for some of you, there is someone speaking sweet words towards you. They feel they are telling you many sugar coated words, but you need to think twice, guys. Maybe they are influencing you towards something. You have to be really careful if you feel that you cannot trust them, and if that person is new to you, you have to be really careful. So this person may want to change your decisions, or they may want something from you. That is the reason they are praising you. And maybe you need to time to let go of your past, maybe some past memories or hurt you have in your situation. So you need to give up all that, guys, today for happiness. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Taurus, for your general energy. If you want more clarity, watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today is going to be like a pick a card, and it is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may point out to your situation or answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusion. So you need to just close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card. So I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, the first card. So let's see. It is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy, we all know the story, guys, story of Rapunzel. So it stands for liberation, freedom. So in your situation, whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that you are feeling trapped in something, some situation or some circumstance. You are unable to make some decision, and you are trying to isolate yourself. Maybe you are avoiding people literally, or you are trying to isolate yourself, maybe for some reasons, and maybe you are not able to make your own choices, or someone is making those choices for you, and or someone, maybe one person is influencing you, and you need fresh ideas, fresh inputs today, and maybe something is troubling you in your situation, guys, and you're trying to escape, or you're escaping from your situation, not ready to face your circumstance, maybe, guys, and you are having some negative thought patterns today, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, and you feel you cannot leave this person, or maybe for some reasons you have, maybe it may be fear, or something is blocking you from leaving them. You want to leave them, you want freshness in your life, or you want something else, but you are unable to make that decision today, guys, because something is blocking you. But in truth, it is in your own hands, guys. Your freedom is in your own hands, so you are free to make your own choices today, guys. So whatever you have in your mind, you can, or whatever you wish for, you can go with it, if you have that strength and determination. And maybe for some of you, you have decided on some things, and but you're not, you have some inhibition to step into action. Maybe that time of waiting is over today, guys, and you are going to see your situation with a new perspective, and you are going to free yourself from the negative thoughts that you are having about your love or about your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some fears or some negative memories because of your past, and that is what is holding you back today. But it is time you overcome all that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the second card. The Little Mermaid, Sacrifice. So this is your second card, guys. And the energy with this card is that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are sacrificing too much for this love, guys, or for this connection, for this person. Maybe you are doing so much, facing lot of trials, risking so much to belong to this person. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to change yourself so much. It may be even a physical kind of change through surgery, or you're making changes to your appearance, maybe to make you more appealing, make you more lovable. But you need to understand that pain and self-sacrifice will not lead you to an happy ending, guys. You have to have that, what to say, you have to love your true self, whatever you are. You should not be try to be something which you are not, guys. That will only take you towards more pain and suffering in life. So maybe you are desiring something and you want to do certain things which you are not, but only if you are true to your self, whatever you are honestly, only then it will give you peace of mind and happiness. And if you are trying to be something which you are not, it is not going to give you happiness, guys. So that is what this card is about. And you should stay away from relationships which demands too much from you, too much sacrifice, or it means it is something unbearable for you to make so much sacrifice or do so much for this love, for to be with this person. And you are unique in your own way, and you are precious in your own way, and the right person who will appreciate that will love you. So you need not worry, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So if you are in a situation where you have to pay too much for this love, you need to think twice, guys, before going in deep with that connection. So that is a reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.